Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys what you can do when your file doesn't have like a green screen, so you can use the mask feature on CapCut instead. So select overlay and press add overlay, go to photos and select the sort of photo you want, press add. I'm just going to sort of zoom in a little bit like so. And then on this clip, I'm just going to choose mask and then choose a rectangle and choose invert. Then you're just going to want to adjust the size of the mask like so. I can't really see the screen, but I'm just gonna guess it's like this. Press the check mark button, and then that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!